My name is Nathan Margolian. I'm from the Denver area originally. Moved here about 5 years ago to the Grand Junction area with my wife, Kaylee. And then we started this business about 3 years ago. Natmar Construction, we specialize everything steel buildings on the structural side. So we'll design them, we'll sell them, we'll engineer the foundations, we take care of soil testing, all that kind of stuff as well. Come in, do the dirt work, do the foundation, put up the building, garage doors, windows, walk doors, pretty much the entire shell. So we take the idea that's in your head. When we leave, you can turn the key, walk into your building, and you have something like this. We have amazing customers, really good to work with. A lot of them have very similar backgrounds, we're reasonable people, and it's just a good business to be in, working with really good people. This is a Great Western building that we got hired to just come in and put up. This is a 40 by 35, so 40 feet wide, 35 feet long, 14-foot eave height, 312 roof pitch. Really love that roof pitch. It's still easy to work on, but sheds the water really well. Beautiful sculpted gutters and rake trim on it. It's a bit of an upgrade from the standard stuff. Doesn't cost hardly any more at all, but makes the building just look really clean. Mike also got these really cool 60-30 windows, so 6 feet wide, 3 feet tall. They're picture windows, so no slides. Big, beautiful view looking out both sides. Our experience on this one, since we just got hired to come in and erect it, started with the offload. The offload, you can learn a lot about a manufacturer, even if you've never worked with them before, because you find out if material is missing or not. So we do an inventory. We go through the plans, we inventory everything, we take a day to do it, we space everything out. Try and be as detailed in that process as we can be, because that'll set you up for the future. And mainly, when we started doing that, because a lot of manufacturers will have missing material, and you want to catch that early so it doesn't hold you up later down the line. With Great Western, we didn't have any missing material, which already made it stand out. Got it, we can rock and roll like normal. Also, we had a question about some of the trim details, a little different than what we were used to seeing. Called them up, got an answer right away, got the clarification we needed, kept on going smooth on the project. Even just the little details, the overall design of the clips between, the welded clips between the red iron and then the secondary framing of the cold form is awesome. The gird extension, we call them gird extensions. I honestly don't know what they're called in the Great Western plans, but we call them gird extensions that just extend that gap between your end columns and your main gird on the, on your end walls, and then your corner where it bridges that gap, which R13, it puffs out a little bit. And if you don't have a strong structure to attach to, you can't suck that back in and make it look really nice. And so a lot of the other buildings, we actually order extra steel and we make those ourselves because we want that no matter what. Here, we didn't have to do that because it was already in the plans, already sent, bolted right in. So that was really cool. That's actually something I haven't seen before. So that was awesome. Classic look, super strong. This building's gonna last a lot longer than my lifetime.